guys, welcome to today's video. From the title itself you know that today I'm going to review Roop Mantra's Haldi Chandan face pack. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the video. This is how the product looks like. It comes in a yellow tube with a flip cap and it is well secured, I can tell you that. And it is an Ayurvedic medicine. It's written over here that it is an Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. You can call it an Ayurvedic face pack rather. And the price of this is rupees 87. The MRP is 87 and the product quantity that you will be getting is 60 grams. But if you're buying from online, you don't have to pay. I believe you don't have to pay rupees 87. If possible, I will provide you a link down in the description box below. Now, all the ingredients which I can see, that is all natural ingredients, Ayurvedic things. What I'll do guys, I'll just take a snap of these ingredients and I will put the snap somewhere, attach the snap somewhere in the video. So if you wish, you can also go through the ingredients. Now, indications, I'm just going to read out what is written over here in the back portion of this face pack. It is written that it is helpful in reducing pimples, acne, wrinkles. It nourishes skin, open up clogged pores, and it is suitable for all skin types. So this is really a very good thing that it is suitable for all skin types. And how to use it, it is also written over here. I'm just going to read out the directions on how to use it. It is written over here. Apply a thick layer of this pack on your cleansed face and neck, leaving out the mouth area and the eye area. Leave this face pack for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse with water or wipe off with damp cotton. That means use normal water. And the chandan is really nice, soothing for your skin. It also helps in removing dark spots, pigmentation, and haldi also lightens the skin tone, brightens the skin tone. There are numerous benefits of this Haldi Chandan face pack. I keep on buying all these type of face pack and I every second day I apply, or you can say, you know, if I get time, every day I apply something. I am talking too much without, you know, wasting any more further time in talking. Let's show you the application. Guys, 15 minutes is over. I'm going to just take off this mask. By the way, let me tell you something. The fragrance, the smell of this product is a typical Ayurvedic smell. This smell is not going to bother you at all or give you headaches, I can tell you. And now let's see, after wiping off the face, what is the final outcome. I'm just taking a little bit normal water as it was written only in the direction. More or less, I am able to remove everything from my face and just wipe it with a normal towel. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the final result. And let me tell you some things now which I'm feeling right now. this face pack is not at all drying. It is quite moisturizing, sorry. And I believe it was written somewhere regarding nourishing. Yes, it nourishes skin. It really does, you know. I'm not feeling at all dry. Normally face pack has a tendency of drying your skin, and immediately we have to put a moisturizer on our face. In this case, I'm not feeling that dry actually. My face is not that dry, and it is quite bright, and it is really glowing. If you just rewind the video, and you will find when I started applying the face pack, that time my face, I don't think it was so glowing and it was so brighten up, but trust me, right now it is really brightened, and I am very impressed and happy with this Roop Mantra's Haldi Chandan face pack. I recommend you all to give it a try once, guys. It is affordable also, and it has all Ayurvedic ingredients. You can see the snapshot also, which I have attached in the video. Give it a try. I believe you are going to like it. Like today's video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is down there, and don't forget to hit that bell. It is really very important, guys. The bell will turn grey in color, and then you know the connection between you and me, it gets started, and you will be getting all the notification whenever I will be uploading my video. That doesn't mean that you have to, you know, keep an eye on my each and every upload. It only means that if you feel any video is important to you, you can you know, take out time for that video, and you can watch it if you wish to. And till my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed. Tata, God bless, bye bye.